Today we're going to be taking a look at a minimalist aramid fiber case made by LATERCASE. If you want the absolute slimness for your phone while still adding some protection, these minimalist cases are definitely going to be for you. We're going to take a look at the case. I'm going to let you know what I think, and by the end of this video, I promise you'll know whether or not this case is right for you. And if you guys want to pick it up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. And here we have a minimalist case by LATERCASE. So the case does have a pretty nice presentation. The cover is held in place with magnets, and you just pull this little strap down to expose the case itself. Now here is the case. It does feel super light. It's got a little bit of an odor to it. It's not bad. It kind of smells, I don't know, something like a cleaning supply or something like that. But as you can see, the case is pretty thin. It does not have any MagSafe built in. Let's see how thin let's see how much the case weighs. 14 grams. That's probably the lightest case that I've seen so far. So let's put our phone inside the case. Fits on the phone pretty nicely, feels good in the hand, and as you can see, the phone is pretty much as thick as it was before I put the case even on it. It's got a very nice smooth feel to it. The buttons are exposed on the side so you can easily press those. If we look at it from the side, you can see that it does have a slight raised edge in each one of the corners of the phone. It's not fully covered on the top and the bottom, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I guess it definitely makes the case easier to take off. As you can see, the phone is still super thin. On the bottom, there's a hole cut out. There's like no protection for the bottom. You can easily access your S Pen. There's a cutout for your power button and your volume buttons on the side. And on the back, you have that nice aramid fiber. This is the blue. Feels pretty nice. And it continues around the camera lenses as well. So not a bad case. I've done some other case reviews on aramid fiber minimalist cases, and I would definitely say that they're nicer than this one. The main things that I don't really like are the fact that there's no protection for the top and the bottom of your phone. You could have easily continued the aramid fiber across the bottom and the top of the case, so I'm not sure why they opted to do that. There's also no MagSafe built in, so if you happen to have a MagSafe accessory, it's not going to stick onto the back of the phone, which they could have easily installed as well. And this case is fairly pricey. There are some other minimalist cases that I've done reviews on, kind of like Thinborn and Pitaka, that do add the MagSafe accessory, and they're also covered on the top and the bottom, which would be, I would think, a better option than this for the money. And you can also see the weaving of the Kevlar. It's really not that great as compared to, again, some of the other cases that I've done reviews on. It just doesn't look as premium. It kind of looks a little bit more sloppy. But the case does work with regular wireless charging. So really, there's not much more to say about this case. Like I mentioned before, for the money, this case is $60. It doesn't come with any MagSafe. The Kevlar weaving really isn't that spectacular, and you don't have any coverage on the top and the whole bottom of your phone. You can definitely get other cases that are about the same price that actually come with the screen protector for about the same amount of money. Case in point, Thinborn has a case that actually looks a lot better than this, gives better coverage, is about the same price, and offers a tempered glass screen protector. So those are my thoughts on this case. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you guys agree with me, or do you prefer the case to not have any coverage on the top and the bottom? So I'd really like to know how you guys feel. Do you guys care that there's a huge cutout on the top and the bottom of your phone? There's no MagSafe built in? Let me know in the comments below. So again, if you guys still want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.